In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename all files in a folder using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. This is a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks and streamlining your workflow, and renaming files in bulk can be a huge time saver, especially when dealing with large sets of files. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by launching Power Automate Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, look for the option to create a new flow. You'll want to click on that, and when prompted, give your flow a name. You might call it something like Batch Rename Files, or any other name that helps you remember what this flow is for. After naming it, simply click Create to get started. The first thing we'll need to do in our new flow is collect the files that are in the folder you want to work with. To do this, look for the action called Get Files in Folder and drag it into your workspace on the screen. You'll be asked to set a folder path, so navigate to and select the directory where your files are located. If you want to rename every single file in the folder, use the File Filter field by entering. This tells the system to include every file in the directory. Also, be sure to set Include Subfolders to False, so you're only dealing with the files in that specific folder and not those in any additional folders within it. Next, we'll set up a loop to manage each file one by one. Look for the For Each action and drag it into your workspace. Here, you'll designate the set of files you gathered earlier by setting the value to iterate to %files%. To make things more clear, give the current item variable a readable name, such as %currentfile%. This way, as you go through each file, you'll know exactly what the variable represents. Now, let's focus on renaming each file. Within the loop you've just set up, you'll want to insert the rename file's action. The file to rename should be set to %currentfile%, the variable you just created. At this point, consider what naming scheme will work best for your needs. You have several options. You might set new name altogether, add text by appending or prepending to the existing name, remove text that's unnecessary, or replace text by substituting specific text with something new. Additionally, you can change extension or add date time if you want to include the current date and time in the name. Configure these settings to fit what you need for your files. Once you've got everything configured, it's important to save your work. Click on Save to store your flow. And now comes the moment of truth. It's time to put your flow to the test. Click Run to execute the flow, and your files in the specified folder will be renamed according to the rules you've set up. This automated process can be a massive help in managing your files efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.